Hi, I'm Sarah Chu and I'm a PhD student at Texas A&M University. Here we are in my rice field and we are using this field to test a new technology of harvest weed seed control. Harvest weed seed control is targeting weed seeds as they exit the combine with the chaff and smushing it or distributing a certain way to make it easier to control weeds in future years. This is going to be the first time that this machine has been ran in rice. It is an impact mill, which is a type of harvest weed seed control, and we have really high hopes for its performance because our problematic weeds that we're targeting within rice are weeds such as barnyard grass, jungle rice, there's some sprangle top in this field, and there's also purple ammonia. All of these weed seeds have been found to retain well in a rice field during harvest, so that gives us high hopes of using the Harrington weed seed destructor that is integrated into our combine to destroy these weed seeds. So the treatments of this study is to determine whether or not the Harrington seed destructor, that impact mill, works in rice or not. So we have two treatments within this study, one with the Harrington seed destructor on and one with it off. Some of the data that we have been collecting is early density weed counts, later season density weed counts, both of those by species. We're recording weed seed production, once again by species. And then on top of that, as the combine is going through the field, we're recording yield, horsepower, moisture of the chaff and of the seed going through the machine. As this is rice, we don't know a lot of these factors yet, so it's exciting to participate in this research.